In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a back-to-top button to your Framer project, and trust me, this small feature can make a huge difference in user experience. This simple, step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know, especially if you're working with long scrolling pages and want smoother navigation. First, open your Framer editor and load either a new project or an existing one you're already working on. Once you're inside the editor, go to the Insert menu at the top of the screen, or for faster access, just press the I key on your keyboard. When the Insert panel opens up, look for the option called Embed under the Utilities section, and then drag that embed component directly onto your canvas. Next, click on the embed component you just added so it's selected. Over on the right side of the screen, you'll see the Properties panel appear. From here, choose the HTML option, which allows you to add custom or third-party code to your Framer project. Now, you'll need a back-to-top button code. You can easily find free options online, so pick one that matches your design style and copy the full code. Once you've copied the code, go back to Framer and paste it into the HTML field of the embed component. After that, it's time to position the button properly. Click the embed component again, head back to the position settings in the Properties panel, and adjust the bottom and right values to fix the button to the bottom right corner of the screen. You can tweak these values until the button sits exactly where you want it. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to add a smooth and functional back-to-top button to your Framer project, making navigation easier and more user-friendly for your visitors. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?